Hey. Welcome back to what y'all already know. A quick little video. So, people, I myself have just finished watching Jasmine's live. Now, what did I tell you guys? I told you that there was nothing else to talk about. So soon, Jasmine, between Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's, would come up with the actual story that she is pregnant. Look at me clearly. Y'all heard me. She says that she is nauseous. So when Jasmine says that she is nauseous, it leads me to believe she is about to take us on this long journey of saying that she is pregnant. So like I said, I already told you guys. So what will happen now is she has already put in her vote. To what? Say that she is possibly pregnant. And I myself am not the only one that said this. It was a couple of other people that already called it as well. I mean, people, she needed some type of drama. So therefore she can get that check all rattled up for some Christmas money. But yeah, the next thing is Jasmine will be begging. Most likely she will be saying that the apartment complex that she is in is asking her to move as soon as possible or immediately. Told you guys, sometimes you just gotta listen. Sometimes you gotta be quiet. You gotta listen, girl. I happened to flip it on. I said, no, this girl is not getting ready to try it. I said, no. I know. How long has her little man, her little, side piece? I don't know if she's his side piece. How long have they literally been staying? Shacking up. How long has he actually been there? That's the T. How long? Before you go ahead and you call the shot. Now, this is the thing. Last time that Jasmine came and told us that she was pregnant. All right, when was that? Last year. But normally what happens, guys, you already know, Jasmine seems to be pregnant every other years. Jasmine seems to be pregnant, I'll take that back, every 4 seasons. Yeah, that's right. So this right here does not amaze me at all. Not at all. So what will happen next is Jasmine will pull out a pregnancy test and she will take it, and then before the results are read, or even if she could see the results, she will, close the video down and have everyone, wondering, is Jasmine really pregnant? Y'all already know. Then, if she is, we'll be going on to, the doctor, the sonogram, all of that stuff. Because let me tell y'all something. When she say that she was pregnant with all these other men's baby, it seemed to me that she would get abortions or basically lie half the time. That is exactly what, you get what I'm saying? Oh, this ponytail was just, Head itching. Sorry, y'all. But see, deep down inside it was Jasmine did not want good old Philip to know that she is pregnant with someone else's baby. All right. But this guy that, you know what I mean, she has now, this guy where, you know what I mean, she is giving him an allowance, running around buying him cakes, running around buying him hat, accessories to go on her door so he could keep up with all of his baseball hats, which I gotta be honest, I didn't even know. I did not even know that people still wore baseball hats. But, it could be a thing, me. I'd like to dress kind of weird. So therefore, yeah, I won't even buy, forget it. Yeah, so I'm like, oh my gosh, like, this is really what's going on. I'm just waiting for the next video, to come up because they seem to do this a lot. But I just want to ask y'all real quick. How much do y'all people like neck bones? I mean, they are like the neck bone queens. They are like the neck bone loving hip hop or something. I mean, it just be like real crazy for me sometimes. I'm like, how many times somebody want to eat a neck bones? And I can tell you this too. Who and what kids? All right, let me say that again and come closer. Who and what kids want neck bones? Neck bones for their birthday. Listen to me clearly. For their birthday. But you guys already know how I am. I'm just kind of different anyway. But I can tell y'all one thing. When I get finished this, I am going to rip this little ponytail off of my head. It is giving me the blues. There is a bobby pin somewhere in there that is sticking me in my scalp, and it is driving me. Whew. It is driving me crazy. I gotta ask y'all this too. Do y'all ever wonder why, people pat their head when it's itching? Yeah, that's me. I mean, I don't know. But Jasmine seemed to what really got me too as well, let me get over to this. That when she was on the live, her boo, her boyfriend, whatever, kept coming in and out the room saying shit. I was so blown. I said, whatever main man wants, please get off this live or pause this live and give main man what he needs. Because the way he was acting, and I could feel the horror coming through the phone, I thought that he was getting ready to come over there and rip both of those stripes off on that dress or whatever Jasmine had on. I'm like, Jasmine, girl, you better get up. If not, you going to get beat up. I mean, it was crazy. I said, oh, okay. That's what we doing here. Okay. That is what we are doing here. So, I mean, guys, I don't know. I mean, what do you guys feel? Do you think Jasmine is going to be pregnant before the year has ended? I know definitely next year she will be. Yeah, she definitely will be. Definitely. So I mean, I don't know. I'm saying if she's gonna be pregnant, I know her and her mother better go ahead and get some bulk chicken necks or whatever they is, because I don't eat neck bones. They better get them in bulk, because I'm telling you, they eat them like they are going out of style. All right. I'm surprised they don't have fried neck bones. You get what I'm saying? I'm surprised they don't bake them. I'm just surprised, because they tear them up like it is the end of the world. Y'all know. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and, exit off of here, because I have some things to do. What I am actually working on today, I am cleaning out my garage. So I decided to go on in here and, talk to you guys and then continue what I am doing. I mean, it is really ridiculous in my garage. It is out of hand. It's just too much. It is just way too much. So, anyway, I will see all of you beautiful, beautiful people in the next series of the pregnancies. Later.